Meaning of funeral.
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 Funeral. A funeral is a ceremony held to commemorate the life of a person who has died. It is a way for family and friends to come together and pay their final respects to the deceased. Funeral ceremonies vary depending on cultural and religious traditions, but typically involve a eulogy, prayers, and music. The body of the deceased may also be present for viewing, either in a casket or through cremation. Funerals provide closure for those mourning the loss of a loved one and serve as a way to honor and remember their life and legacy.